Archibus OnSite mobile app connects your entire team so you can collaborate easily on projects from start to finish. Maintenance managers can create work orders and assign them to a technician, which appears in the Technicians app. Technicians can tag their teammates and call, email, or text them right from the app. If a certain part is out of stock, they can tag your purchasing manager to find out when to expect it and make sure it's delivered to the right place. With Archibus OnSite, your team can easily find any asset, see important details like age, life expectancy, and warranty type, and see its full maintenance history. This simplifies knowledge transfer, giving your team everything they need at their fingertips. With the mobile app, work orders can be filtered in a way that's most helpful for the technician. They can see them by priority, by location, or by due date. They can see everything they need to plan their day and easily share updates with the management team. When everyone has the most up-to-date information at their fingertips, they can make smarter decisions about maintenance, purchasing, and operations. With the Archibus OnSite mobile app, your company's future is in the palm of your hand.